What's the meaning of consultative? Consultative. Consultative.
Consultative. Consultative. The term consultative refers to an approach or process that involves seeking expert advice or guidance in decision-making. It typically involves a two-way dialogue between the expert and the person seeking advice, with both parties contributing insights and recommendations. The result of a consultative approach is usually a more informed and collaborative decision-making process, as it draws on a range of perspectives and expertise. This approach is often used in professional settings such as business, healthcare, and education, where complex decisions require input from multiple stakeholders to achieve optimal outcomes.